In this objective, we're going to do a little more work with the point slope form. You can see that we're given the slope of the line and we're given a point on the line. So we're going to be using point slope form. We've gone over that in the last couple of videos. So if you need to go back and watch those, that might be a good idea. I'm going to do a couple of examples here. Some of these they ask for different forms, so we're just looking at a few more examples of point slope form. Number 1. Let's start that again. Number 1. Which equation represents the line with slope 8 that passes through the point -2, 4? Since they've given me slope and a point, I'm going to use point slope form. So we're going to go with y minus, and then we need a y value. I'm going to use this one, 4. There's our y value. And it equals, remember next we need the slope, so m is our slope of 8 times x minus x1. x1 would be -2. That means that we now have y minus 4 equals 8 times x. Remember that minus a negative means plus 2. Well, these all appear to be in slope-intercept form. We need to solve for y. That's what all of our answer choices have. So we need to continue, and let's distribute this side. Y minus 4. And then over here we have 8 times x gives us 8x. And 8 times 2 is 16. And now to finish solving for y, I'm going to add 4 to both sides. So we now have y equals 8x. And then positive 16 plus 4 is positive 20. Y equals 8x plus 20. And there you go, choice A. Number 2. Write an equation in slope-intercept form. So that means we want y equals mx plus b. With a line that passes through this point and has that slope. So we need point slope form. Y minus, and then we need the y value from our point. It would be -2 equals m, which is our slope, of 8 times x minus, and then we need the x value from our point, which is 7. Let's clean this side up a little bit. When we subtract the negative, we're really just adding, so y plus 2 equals, and then I can, let's see, slope-intercept form. Yeah, I should go ahead and distribute this side. We get 8x, and 8 minus 7 is -56. Now, slope-intercept form, I want to solve for y, so I'm going to subtract 2 from each side. And y equals 8x minus 58. Okay, number 3. Which equation represents the line with slope 7/3 that goes through the point 3, -6? So we want to use, point slope form. Y minus, and the y value, -6, equals m, 7/3, times x minus x value, which is 3. Y minus -6 is the same as y plus 6. And let's see, if we look, we really don't need to distribute. They're just in point slope form. So we just cleaned up that side, and we're going to leave this side alone. 7/3 times x minus 3. So I'm looking for y plus 6. That's out, and that's out. Equals 7/3 times x minus 3. I need choice A because this one has x plus 3. And then the last one, number 4. So in that one, remember, we could have kept going. We could have distributed. We could have gotten rid of the denominators. We could have kept going around, 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 doing all kinds of equivalent things. But we were really good in point-slope form, so we just stopped. Number 4. This is asking us for point-slope form. So we're going to clean up point-slope form and then leave it alone. They've given us a point, and they've given us the slope. So y minus the y value, which is 8, equals m negative 7/4. Make sure we get that negative. Times x minus the x value of negative 2. Close that and close that one. All right. This side looks fine. We're going to keep it as y minus 8. Remember, it's supposed to be in point-slope form, so we can just leave it alone. I'm going to leave this slope just like this. And I'm going to clean that up a little bit. Instead of x minus negative 2, we'll call it x plus 2. And there you go. Y minus 8 equals negative 7/3 times x plus 2. Oops, 7/4. See, always check your work. Y minus 8, negative 7/4, x plus 2. Good. Okay.